Hello, my name is Romel Prieto and this is my submission for Harvard CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript Project 4 Network. So let's go. The first element is to show is new post, which we can see there's this login, this main view where the user hasn't logged in. So let's log in and we'll see that once we log in, there's a form displayed that allows them to create a new post. In the future, I would like to improve it so that the user can also upload an image that comes with it. So the second element is the all posts view, and it displays all posts from all users. It doesn't depend on whether the user is or isn't logged in. And it displays posts in reverse chronological order. You can see it here. It's the main view. It's the index. And you can see that there are 10 posts in reverse chronological order. You can see the dates they were created. It has information on the poster. There's the timestamp of the publication, and here are the likes. And there's also the like button, which we will see how it functions later in this video. The third element is the user's profile page. If I click poster's name or username, I am taken to their profile page, and it includes information on the user, their name. This field here is their first name, and this one's their last name. I put first account and second account to exemplify, and here you can also see their username, their date they joined, and the number of their followers, and the number of people that they follow. As you can see, on my own profile, we go here. There isn't that follow button we saw earlier, but if we go back, here it is. And if I hit it, I can either follow them or unfollow them. So if I hit the button, I get that I am currently following them, and if I hit it again, I am unfollowing them. And you can see that it updates the number of followers, and that takes us to the next section. You can also see their posts in reverse chronological order, and you can see that I cannot edit their post. If I go to following, that's the other request. I am supposed to only see posts of people I follow. It's a simple view. It renders almost exactly all the old posts one. And as you saw at the beginning, it's only available for online users. You saw that I followed the second account, and there are only posts from that account. Next, there's pagination. Let's go to the old posts view. We have 10 posts created at all. Post 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I create an 11th post, you will see that not only can I edit it, that's the next point, that's the sixth element, but there's this pagination created. So I can go to the next one, and I can either go to the first or the last one, and that's pagination, and you can navigate through this to see the oldest entries. And the sixth element is about post editing. You'll see that in every one of my own posts there's an edit post button. You see it here, that those edit by me. But if I go to my profile and I hit edit post, I can change that and save, and you see that once I save it, the post is updated and the page wasn't reloaded, but it's saved because I refresh it, and there it is. And finally, you can see that once I hit the like button of a post, it changes the number of likes, and it changes the status of the button to create an unlike one. And if I hit it, it changes again. So that would be it. Thanks for your attention, and I will be checking soon for my final project delivered. Goodbye.